Hello everyone and welcome to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's video we're gonna show you how to enable your keyboard viewer. So as you can see here, we have to click on this icon, and here we will find the changing of your keyboard language, and here the show emoji and symbols, and here show keyboard viewer. So here we will use this show keyboard viewer. So as you can see here, our keyboard, you can use it anywhere we want. So for example, here we open Safari and click A and click enter. As you can see here, our keyboard work, and we can enable the show emoji and symbols. So here our symbols and emojis, we can use this. Here we are. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video and share with your friends.